Alright, what we're looking at here is an '06 Chevy Uplander rear wiper motor. I have yet to see one with a functioning wiper. Mine made it to 50,000 miles and that was the end of it. Basically, the situation is all the dirt from the road, salt, whatever, grit and grime goes down into the shaft right here. There is a little collar of protection that goes over it, but it's not enough. So all this muck and gunk gets down in here, locks the shaft up. Wiper starts moving slowly, then stops moving altogether. I tried to clean it using gum out, some solvent to get down there to get all the gunk out, but since this is sealed all the way through, nothing goes through. It just sits right here on top. I tried to break it loose. I put in a wrench on the nut, inside nut, spinning it. That accomplished absolutely nothing. It was totally locked. So I drilled holes. One here at the bottom, one here on the opposite side, here at the bottom also. Then I flushed through with the gum out, and guess what? All kinds of grit and grime came out, both sides. Then I flushed through with WD-40. WD-40 kind of loosened it up enough that I could actually break this shaft loose with the wrench. Alright, this is how I got it to break free. Took a little bit of a WD-40, sprayed it down inside the shaft right here. You see it goes in now. Before it wasn't going in. It was turning slow at first. This is when I put the wrench on it. To help break it free. So I kind of helped it once it got going, put more oil in it, and let it sit up like this for half an hour. So it ran like this for half an hour. It was struggling at first. Motor got extremely hot, but in the end, it started working like new. As you can see right here, you can see the shaft through one of the holes that I drilled. It'll focus. Focus. There you go. The other shaft hole I drilled you can't see from this angle, but as you can hear, the motor's working fine. Now I'll put it back together. Take these bolts off and put the seal back on and put the wiper back on. This is the little seal that's supposed to keep all the dirt out. As you can tell, it doesn't do a very good job. There it is, you can see it better there. Slips right over, supposed to go down and seal, but yeah, right. Should have been a recall on this, but it is what it is. There we go. Mission complete. Yeah, they would have charged me $200 to $300 to fix this at the shop. Took me about an hour. Not complaining. Later.